Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wise Man, and today we will see unboxing and review of this Belle and Sanitizer. I purchased this from Amazon.in and I got these three bottles, spray bottles, hand sanitizer bottles for rupees 129. I purchased during this COVID time, and I will say that this hand sanitizer it's nice because it does not stick onto your hands. So the spray, or you can say the quality of the spray is nice, but I'm not sure about the amount of germs that it can remove because I have no idea. I haven't checked that it will remove 99.99% of germs, but saying that the quality wise is nice. It will not stick onto your hands. And one more thing, the water bottle is not quite durable, so I use it and the head of this get broken after when I used for half of the water bottle. So the quality wise of the water bottle is not nice, but overall I will say you can just go for it. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe my channel Wiseman for more such videos.